Oh, at the Badabooom Demo setup. Just got done getting these all set up, get these ready to go. Some Neon Night single shots for demoing. A few other cakes just added in. You can see we're all set up over here. There's a product for the demo finale. Alright, the Badabooom Demo and finale have been completed. Starting off up front, 200 gram cakes. See a couple 350 grammers there. There's a Badabooom product. There's Winda, Pyro Demon, Biggs, some Brothers, Cutting Edge, all this stuff right here is demo. Big ass inked cake. Demon's Fury, Multiplicity, some 9 on the boards. Some of the shells we'll be demoing is the Demon shells, Pro shells, is the Badabooom Pro shells, Swordmen, which I believe are by Winda, Hell shells, which are Pyro Demon, Nunchakus, I think we're Winda. And all up we're actually mine 2 shells.